my loves. How is everyone doing? Fine, I hope. Hi, loves. If you're new here, welcome, welcome. If you're one of my returning subscribers and already a part of the Diva family, welcome back. Guys, today I am coming to you with another open invite collaboration being presented by Diva Dynasty. Yes, we are a group of 5 ladies. We are content creators, and also our host for this video is Mysterious Alberta. Now, I'm going to give you some of the rules for the collaboration. The title will be Father's Day Tablescape 2020. You are to include the hashtag in your title or description, hashtag Father's Day Tablescape Sunday 2020. You are to include masculine or some rustic in your tablescape. Yes, guys, rustic or masculine. So all us glam girls, we have to hold off on this one, and we have to set this up for the men in our life or that very special father in your life. Also, we are to show some pics or plaques or some kind of writing. And as you can see as my setup here, I have a setup of pictures, and I have a card, I have my glasses, I have my plate, I have my saucer and napkin, and for the rustic look here, I have a belt as a napkin ring. So that would be the masculine part. And I have just my grass flowers back there in my vase back there, which is a DIY, and that is just thumbtacks on a Dollar Tree glass that I spray painted with some matte black paint. And I think that looks very masculine. And right here, I just have this leather fragrance mist. So that is the masculine part. Okay, moving right along. Number 5, you are to mention all hosts in your video and link their channels. The upload date is June 14th, 2020, anytime after midnight. The playlist link will be added to the invite video. And please have some Father's Day fun. Now guys, as I said, Miss Alberta will be our host. Make sure that you watch everyone's invite video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that notification bell twice so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video and new content. Also, don't forget to leave me a comment down below and to share my video with all your friends. And this is an open invite, so everyone, all creators are welcome to join in. Until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video. This is Diva Decorating saying bye-bye, my loves.